Hello guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about ETFs and mutual funds. So what is the difference between mutual funds and ETFs? They almost work same, but there's a little bit difference in ETFs and mutual fund, and that is their cost of operating. First, you have to know about what is difference between mutual fund and indexed mutual funds. When you do SIP in any mutual fund, when you vote or buy any mutual fund, those mutual funds which you see on the internet, they are actively managed. When actively managed, it is not written anywhere, but if the mutual fund name doesn't contain index, that is, they are actively managed. And when a mutual fund is actively managed, that means the manager of that mutual fund is going to buy and sell their shares. He's going to switch companies to beat the market every single year. And whenever he is going to buy or sell the companies, you are going to pay the price. All right. So this is the main difference between index mutual fund and the actively managed mutual fund. Now, what is index mutual fund? Index mutual fund is they copy the index. All right. Whatever category you are choosing, whatever sector you are choosing, they are going to do copy of that sector. And whenever any company is going in or out of that category or sector, only then your mutual fund is going to change the stocks. So your cost will be very, very low. So this is the main difference between mutual funds which are actively managed and the index. Now, what is the difference between ETF and index mutual fund? Now, for index mutual fund and ETFs, the main difference is cost, as I said before, and the cost is operating cost. Now, mutual funds are different people buying different stocks in their portfolio, right? They have a different scenario, or you can say they are buying the stocks on exchange. ETFs are already on exchange, means there is something which is already in my home and there's something which is a far distance away, right? So what is going to be more cheaper to me, or what is going to be more accessible to me, which is everything which is in my home, right? So this is the main difference between ETFs and index mutual funds. So the cost is reduced, and if the cost is reduced, your returns becomes greater. So now the choice is yours, whatever you want to do. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching.